Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the part of the document where numbers should stop. Open your file, place the cursor at the start of the page after the last numbered page, and insert a section break, next page. Once done, double-click the header or footer to open the Design tab, then click Link to Previous to unlink the new section. This prevents numbering from flowing back. Do this now. It's the critical setup step that makes the rest possible. Now control exactly how numbering behaves. With the header or footer active in the new section, choose Page Number and either remove page numbers or format page numbers to reset numbering. If you want the previous section to retain numbers, choose Continue from Previous. Otherwise, pick Start At and set a value. Make sure you're editing only this section. The earlier unlinking ensures that. This step stops numbers from appearing after your chosen point, while preserving the rest of the document's layout. Finish by closing the header or footer and scrolling through the document to verify page numbers stop where intended. If you still see numbers beyond the break, reopen the header/footer and double-check that Link to Previous remains disabled for both header and footer. Sometimes you must repeat for each. Also confirm you removed numbers specifically in the new section, not the previous one. Finally, use Print Preview to ensure printed output matches on screen. That catches stubborn formatting artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.